Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor from Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through the values test. What is a values test? Assessing your values allows you to gain insight into how they influence your decisions and how you relate to others in the world around you. Mental health professionals can use a values test to help clients determine the core beliefs and principles they live by. When our values are ignored or at odds, it can cause us to feel uncomfortable or even conflicted. Being aware of one's values can help make decisions that reflect what truly matters. Explore the values that drive a client's behaviour and attitude and how values impact their decision-making, relationships, and well-being. This values test can also be a great tool to gain insight into what truly motivates and drives your client. Set goals and help clients develop them to their greatest potential. Clients can create a roadmap for success rooted in what matters to them. With value assessment, clients can identify potential roadblocks and devise plans to overcome them to achieve success. As a result, it is commonly used by therapists and counsellors. Here's how to use a values test. The first step is to fill in the name and date and then read the instructions. You'll then need to fill out each section, rating on a score from 1 to 5. Finally, incorporate the results within treatment. To view a sample assessment of the values test, head on over to carepatron.com where you can download and access the values test for free. You can also access the test through the Carepatron platform. Simply filter within the Carepatron community or type in the keyword to find the note. Edit however you wish. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Carepatron to view more healthcare videos.